Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this particular training, I want to do a quick little wrap up of our webhooks integration training. Hopefully at this point you've watched all of the other trainings and now you're an expert when it comes to webhooks in PhoneBurner. We talked about how to customize your dispositions and apply specific webhook URLs to each of those dispositions. We also talked about the call begin and call end dial session webhooks. Now it's important to note that the call end dial session webhook only applies if you're not using a disposition specific webhook. Disposition specific webhooks always trump a call end dial session webhook. The nice thing about that is when you're creating and customizing your account for an organization, for a team, for multiple users, you can create custom dispositions and share those dispositions with the team so that you don't have to remember to go in and edit the dial session webhook on each individual user account. We also talked about the email unsubscribe webhook so that when one of your contacts unsubscribes from an email, PhoneBurner can notify you via webhook to let you know that this contact is unsubscribed from PhoneBurner and you may need to get them unsubscribed from other tools. Same with the SMS opt-out. If you're sending text messages through PhoneBurner and somebody opts out, asks you to stop sending them messages, PhoneBurner can notify you at a webhook URL so that you can ensure that that person and their phone numbers are removed from any other SMS messaging that you may have going on outside of PhoneBurner. And then the final option that we talked about was this manual webhook, where you could trigger the webhook from the contact record either in or out of a dial session at any point, which would then send the contact details to that webhook URL. We were feeding all of these details into our webhook training doc. This is a Google spreadsheet set up specifically to capture this information. So here you can see the manual webhooks. If we go to our SMS opt-out, we'll see those as well. Email unsubscribe, booked appointments, call ended. So here you can see every time we called somebody and dispositioned it, throughout this training, those calls were getting logged. And then the call begin. Every time we started a call, those calls were getting logged here as well. So anyway, that's a quick little overview of some of the things that we covered while going through the webhook training. I hope this is helpful for you and your team so that you and your organization can get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Thanks again, and happy dialing.